everybody, I am Tyler Nicole Taylor, TNT. If you love me, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. Here on this channel, we do all things lifestyle to beauty DIY. So what that means is we do our own gel X nails over here. We definitely beat our own face down. We do our own lashes, our own everything, okay? That's what we do. Now, I'm not saying, I'm opposed to getting it done professionally, because I absolutely have had all those things done professionally. However, sometimes it ain't always in the budget. So that's what we do over here, and that's what we're doing today. We're gonna be doing brows. So I'm just gonna share my current brow routine. My brows for the past few months have been looking a little crazy and a little raggedy, but that's because I ain't had the right tools. But now I got my tools, okay? I have all my things. My mom and I are about to pop outside real quick to go get something to eat, but I don't really want to do a whole face. And lashes and a brow is really all you need, especially in this Texas heat, because yeah, you're gonna melt anyway. And 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna have shades on. So we won't need a full face. Anywho, so let's go ahead and get these brows done, because girl, this is not going to be a long video at all. It's going to be very short and to the point, okay? The only things that I use when I want to go for a more natural-ish looking brow is a brow pencil. So the one that I'm using today is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the Brow Wiz, and I have it in dark brown. It looks like this. Of course, it has the spoolie on one side and then the product on the other. Let's turn it up for you. And let's see. The sun is trying to, there we go. Can you see? I love this pencil. I just got it and it was my first time trying this. Absolutely love. And then also I'm gonna go in with the NYX Thick It Stick It. I have been using this same Thick It Stick It like all year, and it's already October. So yeah, I had this since like January or February, and I have this in the color Espresso. That's what I thought. Yes, Espresso. No brow routine is complete without NYX brow glue, okay? This right here, okay? Every time. And that's actually all I'm using. Now, I will show you this product because you'll probably see me pick this up, and it's just because I really like the spoolie on here because it's so nice and thick. But this is another brow product by NYX, and it's called the Zero to Brow Gel. And it's just a long wear brow gel, and this is in the color chocolate. So like I said, it has this nice thick spoolie on it, which I absolutely love. And then this is what it looks like. And it just has, the little doe foot applicator. I don't really use this too much anymore. I have been using it in the past before I got my brow pencil back, but now I got my brow pencil, I don't need that. All right, first we're gonna go in and just kind of brush the brows up. I like to brush mine upwards just because I want my hair to kind of go into place. All right. And it's much easier to do your brows if you already got them shaped. This is how we're looking with the pencil. And I like to just go in and kind of just make little hair strokes going upward and kind of getting in between my hairs where it looks kind of sparse. Okay. And I kind of just only do that right in this area. Next, I'm gonna line, but as I'm going across my brow to make the shape, I'm still gonna take short strokes. I don't take it and go, okay? And just follow the shape of my brow. So now you see how that look like it's a hole right there? Yeah, I like to just try to fill that in with pencil. See that? And when you're doing these little short strokes, make sure that you're being light-handed. This lash right here, girl, you gotta go. You're getting on my nerves. And then now we're just gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'll let you see me do that. And yes, this is the left side of my face, so I take my arm over like this when I'm doing the brow strokes. I don't know, maybe try that if you need to.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about.
So we already looking like something. Right? Okay. It's giving, woo girl, what's going on? Don't worry about it. All right, so now I'm gonna take my spoolie, and right where we did the line, I'm gonna brush the product into my brow. So I'm just brushing that liner up into my brow, and it kind of diffuses the line so that it's not like hard like that. You see the difference? You see how that's like a hard, like very defined line? If you like that, leave it. My face can't carry that. See how this is nice and diffused? And this is very much crispy and sharp. So brush that liner into there. It just kind of blends the liner into your hair. Honestly, you could stop right here if you wanna, but I don't. Now I'm gonna go in with the Stick It Brow Thickening Mascara. I do this because sometimes when I go to brush the liner in, it looks a little too light. I go in with this as well, just to kind of, like I said, fatten up the hair look a little bit, just so it look a little more full. Yeah, like that. And again, you want to be pretty light with this, and I'm still brushing upward. Finally, you can kind of let this dry down a little bit, but because I didn't use a whole lot, I ain't too worried about it. What is going on? I don't know why my camera's darkening up. There we go. Jeez Louise, we're back. So now I'm gonna go in with the brow glue. I don't know why that's so difficult to say today. And again, I'm going straight up. Straight up, straight up, straight up. You see that? You see how the hair is coming up out the formation? That's actually what I want it to do. This also, to me, diffuses some of the product as well, so it doesn't look as dark as when we started, you see? Now this product, you definitely want it to dry down a bit. So I'll wait for it to dry, maybe like 75%. So I'm gonna let this dry down a bit, and then I'm gonna get back to you. So now let's put these brow hairs into place, honey. I forgot to mention that NYX brow glue literally smells like Elmer's to me. Does anybody else think that? So now I'm just taking my spoolie and literally just kind of using it to make my brow hairs lay into place. There we go. Thin out that tail, see that? So this is what it looked like. And this is what it looked like before. Now if you like this, girl, go ahead, leave that. Because some people like the bushy brow look, you know what I'm saying? I do like mine a little more manicured, so that's why I go in with the spoolie to kind of put the hairs into place. And I'm just kind of following the shape of my brow. Like letting it go where it want to go. Bam! And just like that, we got some brows. And this is all I'm gonna do to my face today. I'm not even wearing eyeliner. This one lash cluster just keeps jumping off my eyelids. So girl, we're gonna leave her at home, all right? Because I'm hungry. I hope this little brow tutorial or routine was helpful. I want you to give it a try and tell me what you think, okay? If you do have any questions on the products that I used or the technique, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and go ahead and give this video a big old like for me, please. The more likes that I get, the more YouTube is knowing that y'all messing with the video, and they'll be pushing my content to other people that are looking for brow tutorials, okay? So like it. If you aren't subscribed and you know you want to come back, just go ahead and subscribe. Just subscribe right now. See y'all.